Hello, assalamu alaikum. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. How are
Yes.
you?
I'm fine. How are you, brother?
Okay, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Thank you.
Yeah, basically you're from Bangladesh, right? From Dhaka or from where?
It's Dhaka.
It's Dhaka.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so now I just try to discuss about that all of the course content, what you will learn after when you want to join my online training program, what you will learn.
Okay.
Then I'll try to discuss. So basically, in this online training program, I focus only for the beginners who don't have any knowledge about the programming such as
Uh-huh.
Python or JavaScript, who don't have anything about the zero knowledge
Uh-huh.
about the programming.
Okay.
So after,
Okay.
when he can join my online training program, so first of all, I
Uh-huh.
will try to teach you all of the programming knowledge which you need to analysis for the remote sensing in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay. So
Okay.
first time as a beginners thought that it's the Google Earth Engine platform. When you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you must be know the programming language and lot of program or coding you need to memorize. It's totally wrong
Okay.
concept. So as a beginners who don't
Okay.
have anything about the Google Earth Engine platform, just
Uh-huh.
we should learn them for the some programming basic things. So using the
Uh-huh.
basic thing, he can do any types of remote sensing analysis. He can do for the any types of land use, land cover classification map. He can do for the any types of remotely data set analysis. He can easily do, and they can easily make the
Mm-hmm.
different types of time series chart. They can easily make the different types of indices. They can easily make for the air quality monitoring. So basically,
Mm-hmm.
all of the remote sensing analysis he can easily perform after completing this online training program. So I simply
Okay.
share my screen, then try to show you my all of the course content. Then it's so better.
Yes. Yes.
So now can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, just I simply show the things from my LinkedIn. Already uploaded all of the things.
No problem. Basically, my name is Abdul Abnan Yazdani. I'm from India, actually.
Yeah.
And I'm in Saudi Arabia right now. Okay. And I'm here since some past 9 years. Okay. So I have done my master's in geomatics, okay, from Survey of India, and I have been working with ISRO for around 6 months,
Okay.
and then I came back to Saudi Arabia, and since from that time I'm in Saudi Arabia. So basically, I'm a project manager over here, okay, at Tech Solution Group, where I'm handling GIS and project management related stuff.
Yeah.
But again, I'm planning to change my role to some other company where I will be as a GIS and remote sensing some scientist type over there in at a
Okay.
university somewhere, at a university here in Saudi Arabia. So my main focus is on mostly my main focus is at environmental side, coastal side. Okay, so like it's been around 10 years, so I have to gather all the information what I have done during my masters as well as in space center. Again,
Yeah.
so I just wanted to know how the Google Earth Engine will extract the information like species, habitat mapping, and how the change detection between these two images, let's say for 2022 and 2021, on habitat side, species side, mangrove side, time period wise. This is what I was like curious to know. I have seen your videos. Actually, I have seen your videos. Okay, so I was then I just contacted you on WhatsApp, and let's have the training and just move forward with that. And
Yeah,
let's see. So I'm more focused with habitat mapping on coastal side and mangroves, seagrass, and marine side, something like that.
yeah,
So I'm just more concerned because just I want to use while the sessions when you are covering something like on coastal side, any using those examples, if you can provide me, that would be more visually I can see, yes, 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 I can do it. Yes, we
yeah.
can do it. Something like that. This is my goal and plan to have this
Okay.
course.
Okay, so do you already know about the all of the Python or other thing programming language or
No,
Google?
no, I'm not
Okay,
involved with I'm not involved with programming, but I have been working with ADAS, with NV, PCI. These softwares I'm aware of, like
okay,
band combinations and all. NDVI, I know what is this, what is this, what is this. Okay, but it was like 6 years before. What I'm saying, 6 years
okay.
before.
So
Okay,
so basically, in this online training program, I will try to provide you all of the information about the Google Earth Engine platform. So there's a lot of analysis we can do for the lot of, suppose if you want, suppose I just try to show you the land cover classification using the machine learning, how you can easily in Google Earth Engine platform using the machine learning, how you can easily make the land use land cover classification map. But using the
okay,
same method, you can also do for the crop classification map also. Okay,
okay.
but the same method or same all of the things will be same. Suppose I want to show you the result for the NDVI, normalized difference
Mm-hmm.
vegetation index, suppose any
Mm-hmm.
Dhaka city region. But if you want, you can also apply the same method for the NDVI for the coastal area or any other any region you can easily do. Suppose i
Okay.
want to i want to make the soil moisture index or soil moisture identify for any region. You can use the same
Uh-huh.
code for any region. Okay, so
And one more
I
question,
yeah,
like I have one more question. Whatever we are doing, if it is soil master, if it is land use, land cover, after the process, are we going to export those files
yeah,
to a
yeah,
shapefile or how?
yeah, you can easily export. So all of the things you can see, suppose you can see okay,
Uh-huh.
I also try to show, suppose you can see this is the map. I already work
Okay.
with, I export some map in here. Suppose
Mm-hmm.
so NDWI map you can see.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the NDWI map. So mainly in this NDWI map we are struck only for the water on the surface of the Dhaka city. So mainly this
Okay.
NDWI, we can easily use this NDWI. All of the analysis I can use the Google Earth Engine platform, but final product I download as a TPMS. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
this TPMS I use for making the map in ArcMap software for my research paper map or for my other
Mm-hmm.
presentation work map. Thus also you can see this is the map for nitrogen concentration map of the whole
Mm-hmm.
Bangladesh. And now
Mm-hmm.
in this map we can just all of the analysis, all of the things we can do using the Google Earth Engine platform, but final product we can download as a TPMS and then make the map in ArcMap software. As well as also you can see this is the vegetation. So mainly this vegetation we can use here the NDVI or normalized difference vegetation index. So all of the things we can done using the Google Earth Engine platform, but final product we
Okay.
can download the TPMS and
So
make this map like this.
you mean to say everything will be done in Google Earth Engine, and
Yeah,
then we can download only in TIFF. We cannot
TFMS. Yeah,
download the
yeah.
layers as we cannot download the layers as shapefile, something like that.
Yeah, we can also download the easily shape file. So how you can easily extract the shape file, such as how you can easily make the different types of time series chart. Okay, then we can easily do.
Uh-huh.
Such as I simply share my some previous work. So I simply open my code editor. So mainly Google Earth Engine, we can do any types of remote sensing analysis. Just we should know what is my algorithm. Just I can simply algorithm to the code and what's the data I want to need. And Google Earth Engine platform, we can get all of the data set, all of the remotely sensed data we can easily get freely use. And this data set is daily updating. Suppose when you use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any types of satellite images. When you want to, suppose you randomly, when you want to work with the ArcMap or ENVI or ADAS software, you need to download the satellite images from other sources, Art
Yeah.
Explorer or USGS. But in this time, when you are using the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any types of satellite images because all of the data set we can easily access from here. You can see, I simply go to the browse data catalog. Here I can get all of the data set, Landsat, Sentinel, Modis, all of the, you can see the climate weather data set and surface temperature climate data set, as well as atmospheric data set, weather data set, such as high resolution imagery, sentinel, Landsat. So a lot of data set we can easily get, such as the land cover data set. So all of the data set we can easily get. Also you can see cropland data set. So all of the data set we can easily get from the Google Earth Engine data catalog. And so that's why we don't need to download any types of data set from Google Earth Engine platform. Okay. After completing our analysis, we can just download the TP image for our make the map in ArcMap software for our research paper map or presentation map. Otherwise, we don't need to download any types of satellite images from the other sources, because when I click the Landsat here, I can get all of the Landsat image collection easily. Landsat 9, Landsat 8, Landsat 7, all of the collection I can easily get. When I click the MODIS here, I can get all of the MODIS product, different types of MODIS product I can easily get. Okay, so in this time, suppose you want to make the land surface temperature mapping using this data set. You also need to make the time series chart using this data set. What is the temporal changes of LST? In this online training program, I also try to show you all of the details. Such as also I try to show you that how you can easily make the supervised classification using the random forest classification regression trees. How you can easily calculate the area, how much build up area, how much water body is available for your region. So basically, I think as a beginner who don't have anything about the Google Earth Engine platform or programming, this is the best course for learning the Google Earth Engine platform and apply all of the things. And when you want to learn all of the basic things in Google Earth Engine platform, you can easily develop any types of algorithm, any types of analysis you can easily do. When you want to learn all of the things, okay, then you can easily, as a developer, you can easily develop your own model, own algorithm. Okay.
So after this course, I can able to write the code, you mean?
So in this time, I also provide you all of the source code. So all of the source code, all of the practice code, you can also get. And if you want, you can use the same code. And when you can write the code, I think you don't need to memorize anything. Okay, because I also teach you as a way. This way, we did not follow the any memorize rule. So we can just practice 1 or 2 times. I think you can easily remember all of the things, and it's not a hard. Just we should know what's the technique. Just I try to focus you all of the technique. I will try to teach you. So according to the technique, you can easily learn all of the things.
Okay, fine.
And it's very interesting. So it's very interesting. I hope you are not boring. So sometimes,
No.
suppose some people also learn the coding or other things. They're also very bored. But in this time, I think you are not boring. I hope you can easily learn all of the things in Google Earth Engine platform for remote sensing analysis, and you can easily develop any types of remote sensing analysis. Just we should know
Okay.
what is the algorithm. We can easily do. Yeah.
Okay, and 3 hours duration, right? It is three hours duration.
Yeah, yes. 3 hours. Basically, 2 hours is our online training class I will provide you,
Okay.
and 1 hours
Okay.
I talk about the problem solving. Suppose
Okay,
when you face, I also give you
just-
some assignment.
Just
So, yeah.
just a minute. Just a minute. Someone came. Just a minute. I need to open the door. Just a minute.
Okay.
Just a minute, please.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So basically, in this online training program, you are easily learn all of the things. You can easily apply this knowledge on your own research work or analysis. Actually, in this time, all of my students who join my online training program, they are also get the lifetime supported from me. Suppose any issue or anything, when you face any problem, you can also get the supported from me. Okay, and I also try to show you all of the details, how you can easily make the supervised classification, all of the things. I also try to show you that how you can easily apply the different types of analysis. I can easily try to show you that, so that I hope you can easily learn all of the things. There is the not a big deal.
Okay. No problem. No problem.
And you can also get all of the source code. So basically, when I take the class, I also give you all of the source code, so that you can easily practice from this source code, and you can easily learn all of the things. Okay, and also put you some assignment. So when you face any problem regarding this assignment, we also try to discuss our 1 hour problem solving class. So that's why you can easily learn all of the things.
Great. Great. Okay, let's do the payment, and let's start. This is from December 13th, right?
Yeah. So you can easily make the payment using the transfer wise. So transfer wise, you can easily use this make payment. So if possible, you can simply share your screen. Then I also try to guide you. So according to the method, you can easily make the payment using your Visa card or Mastercard.
No problem, no problem.
Uh,
Can you see my screen?
Yeah. So now I can not yet.
No? Okay, now?
Okay. So now